Hey everybody, if you're looking to move to Nexton, we're back in Nexton here in Midtown. And we're checking out David Weekley Homes today. And we brought some friends with us.
Yes, this is Gregg. Gregg is on our team. He's 9 foot tall. You can see him right there. This is Duane. Duane, he's going to smile for us now. Smile. Duane.
Good job, Duane!
And the newest member of the team, Krystin, Hicks. So if you see any of these guys, they're on our team. They're incredibly awesome, or they wouldn't be here with us.
That's right.
Reach out to them, reach out to us. And Mark, if they want to see a house or schedule a time, or what do they do?
Yeah, you can click the link in our description and it'll go right to our calendars. We can set up either an in-person meeting or a Zoom meeting and either get you paired up with us or one of our awesome team members. And let's go check out some David Weekley.
Wait. We should all do an 80s realtor pose.
80s Realtor.
Yeah, this one.
Okay. Let's check out some homes.
We also use Now Weather Make Plus house wrap. This blue house wrap, you see the tiny pinholes in it? That allows any moisture that might be in your home to escape, but it does not allow our humidity to come back in. Have you heard of Energy Star homes?
Yep.
Okay, Energy Star is going to be like right here, and Homer's building is going to be up here. So you have to jump through some hoops to earn that certification. I'm not going to tell you all the hoops, but I do want to tell you two. One of them is a blower door test. Have you ever heard of that?
Yes.
Okay, good. This third-party company, they come in, they close all the doors and windows in your home, then they open the front door, then they have a thick piece of like leather or vinyl, and they seal your whole front door. Built into the bottom is a fan. They turn the fan on, that pressurizes your home. Attached is a meter. The meter tells how much air is leaking back into your home as a percentage. So you could do this to any home. Say you did it to an older home, it might say 25, 35% air leakage. Do it to a younger home, 15 to 20. Do it to a brand new home, 6%. I think that's just something important, to consider. As far as if they were considering a used home, this is something you maybe want to take a picture of. If you had a 10-year-old home, I would tell you to start saving money because these are the things that are getting ready to need to be repaired or replaced. With a new home, it's under warranty, so now still save money. And this is if you were getting a home that was even older, like maybe 70s, 80s, and you're bringing it up to today's standards. And y'all, these are pre-COVID numbers, so Lord knows what those numbers are now. That's a lot of money. And then warranty information, 1 year workmanship and materials, 2 years electrical wire and ductwork repair, leaks in plumbing system, and then 10 years structural. And all of these warranties, if they won the lottery and ended up going, to the Caribbean, my dream, then they might want to sell their home. So if they still have 2 years left, all the warranties transfer to the new buyer.
Hey guys, this is Gregg with Realty One Group Coastal, Charleston Area Living Group. We just went through and got some info at the Nexton Plaza, and man, this is the golf cart community lifestyle that I've always wanted. We want to make sure that you guys want it too. You can literally take your golf cart any place within the neighborhoods. They're all connected in Nexton. You can go to Publix and Harris Teeter. They're building real soon. There's an elementary school, middle school. You can park your car, take your golf cart anywhere around the community. It's awesome.
Hey, it's Krystin Hicks, and I'm with the Charleston Area Living Group, and we're here at Midtown Nexton, Model Row, and some cool things that are coming to the area. They are having MUSC hospital system coming here, and also another thing I want to highlight is that we're having a middle school coming here soon in the next 2 years.
So Jeff, talk a little bit about your experience with David Weekley today. So
I learned several things. Number one is they use 2x6 construction in the frame of the house, not 2x4s. I learned that their barrier, the pretty blue wrap around the house, it's magic barrier. It allows moisture to come out of the house, but doesn't allow humidity to come in the house. And because their houses are so secure, They do a blower test, a vent test. I forget what the name of the test is, but they pressurize the whole house, and it has to have a maximum of a 3% leak in this many. And most other builders actually don't even do that test, but some of the specs are like, they could be up to, your house you're living in right now, you could be in a house that has 15%. And that's actually not insane.
Sure, yeah.
But 3%, much better utility bills.
All right, pop quiz time.
Oh gosh.
David Weekley Home.
Yes.
Getting in Nexton. What's the lowest price?
It is in the 400s.
$380.
It is $380. I was so close.
And it's the house we're in right now.
It's the house we're in right now. It's actually a 1,379. Am I right? Was that it? 1370. Listen, that was 8 square feet. That was really close. 1,371.
That's why you say
square feet.
approximately
It was
first.
approximately 1,371 square feet, and it actually has 3 bedrooms in it, which, for somebody that's looking for maybe a retirement home or a smaller ranch, this is a great option.
And they still get the amazing amenities here at
They
Midtown.
do. They're very, and you can check out one of our videos that we have on our channel about the amenities over there. Cool neighborhood.
Hey, this is Duane Crawford with Charleston Area Living Group. Just wanted to talk to you just a little bit about something I've learned today at Nexton Midtown Model Road. We've got 6 different builders here. You've got 1 story, you've got 2 story. You can come and park your car, walk to all of the model homes here that they have, and you can see everything that they want to build here in Nexton. Come check us out. Let us know if you need anything.
Hey, Jeff and Mark here, finishing up the day at Nexton. We're in Model Row right now. Mark, awesome community. I'm going to put you on the spot. What's one thing you're walking away with that you're really excited about Nexton about?
The pickle bar, of course.
Yeah.
It's going to be over there in the hub. There you got doctor's offices going in there. There's some restaurants going in there. I heard an amazing pizza place. But the most important is a pickle bar. It's going to be a casual style family restaurant, but also pickleball.
Yeah.
What about you?
All right. So I just love the overall that everything is honestly here that you need. So restaurants, homes, the amenity centers are gorgeous here.
Yep.
The healthcare, the MUSC hospital coming that you can take a golf cart to the pickleball court.
Yep.
You can take a golf cart from here to our office in Nexton. You go get you some street corn at Taco Boy. It's just a fantastic location. There's a reason why this was the #1 master plan community in the whole country.
For sure, for sure. And I think Duane talked a little bit about it already, but there's several different builders here. We've got resales already in here
Absolutely.
too. And of course, there's townhomes too that most people don't even realize.
Yeah. And
So-
if you come down here to Model Row, make sure you tell them that you're working with the Charleston Area Living Group.
Yep.
It just makes life a whole lot easier. If we end up working together, it just makes the wheels move a little smoother,
And you're represented.
and you're represented.
Remember, if you're looking to move in 9 days, 9 months, or 9 years, we're here to help you. You can visit our website at charlestonarealiving.com, or you can click the link below, schedule a Zoom call with us if you're not here locally, or an in-person meeting right in our office in Nexton Square. See you later.
See y'all.